everyone! Welcome back to Up English 101, your friendly place to learn and practice real English in fun and easy ways. I'm Sue, and I'm so happy to have you here today.
And I'm Jake. Hello, everyone. Thanks for tuning in. You're listening to Up English 101, where we help you speak confidently, smile more, and sound natural in English.
Today, we've got a delicious topic, one that everyone loves talking about. Jake, can you guess what it is?
Is it chocolate, pizza, or maybe food in general?
You're close. Today's topic is my favorite food in English.
Oh, that's perfect. Everyone loves food, and it's a great way to practice English, too.
Exactly. We'll share our favorite foods, explain how to describe tastes, textures, and even teach you how to talk about cooking and eating in daily conversations.
So, before we start, everyone listening, make sure to subscribe to Up English 101, click that like button, and share this episode with your friends.
That's right. Let's make English learning tasty and fun. Ready, Jake?
Born ready. Let's dig in.
All right, Jake. Let's start simple. What's your favorite food?
Oh, that's a tough question. I love food, but if I had to choose, I'd say pizza.
Classic. Everyone loves pizza. Why pizza?
Because it's perfect. Crispy crust, melted cheese, tomato sauce, and all the toppings you want. It's like happiness in a slice.
I love that. Happiness in a slice. That's a nice expression. It means something that makes you really happy.
Exactly. How about you, Sue? What's your favorite food?
Mine would be sushi. I love how fresh and light it is, and it's so beautiful. It looks like art on a plate.
Sushi. That's awesome. You know, it's one of those foods that makes you slow down and enjoy every bite.
Yes, and for our learners, bite means the amount of food you put in your mouth at one time.
Right. And enjoy every bite means you really love and appreciate what you're eating.
So, Jake, let's teach our listeners how to describe food in English.
Good idea. Let's start with taste words. Sweet, like cake or candy. Salty, like chips or popcorn. Sour, like lemon or yogurt. Spicy, like chili or curry. Bitter, like black coffee or dark chocolate. Savory, like grilled meat or soup.
Perfect. And then there's texture, how food feels in your mouth. Crispy, like fried chicken or chips. Crunchy, like apples or carrots. Soft, like bread or cake. Creamy, like ice cream or mashed potatoes. Chewy, like steak or gummy candy.
Great! Let's make some examples. I love crispy fries. This soup is creamy and delicious. That curry is too spicy for me.
Yes, and a good tip for learners, you can use too when something is more than you like. For example, too salty or too spicy.
Sue, I'm curious. What's a typical meal in your country?
Oh, good question. In my country, breakfast is often light, maybe bread, coffee, or noodles. Lunch is the biggest meal, and dinner is usually something warm and shared with family.
That sounds cozy. In my family, breakfast is big. Eggs, toast, maybe fruit. Dinner is our favorite time because we all sit together.
That's nice. So, for learners, breakfast is your morning meal, lunch is around noon, dinner or supper is in the evening.
You can also use phrases like, "What do you usually have for breakfast?" "I like to eat rice for lunch." "We often cook together for dinner."
Perfect sentences to practice daily English.
Okay, let's talk about how to express what we like or don't like. Here are some examples. I love to I love pasta. I really like to I really like spicy food. I don't like to I don't like bitter coffee. I hate to I hate cold soup.
And for softer expressions, you can say, "It's not my favorite." "I'm not a big fan of." For example, I'm not a big fan of seafood.
That's polite and natural English.
Let's teach some cooking verbs. Boil, cook in hot water. Example, boil the eggs for 5 minutes. Fry, cook in oil. Example, I love fried rice. Bake, cook in an oven. Example, she baked a cake. Grill, cook over fire or heat. Example, let's grill some chicken. Chop, cut into small pieces. Example, chop the vegetables.
Perfect. And you can describe your favorite dish like this. I love grilled fish with lemon. I often cook fried rice for dinner.
Nice. And remember, dish refer to one prepared food item. Meal refer to breakfast, lunch, or dinner.
Sue, do you have a special memory with food?
Oh, yes. I remember cooking with my grandmother when I was little. We made dumplings together. I can still remember the smell and her smile.
That's beautiful. Food and memories always go together. For me, my favorite memory is making pizza with my friends at university. We made a huge mess, flour everywhere.
That sounds fun. For our listeners, here are some phrases to talk about memories. I remember when, it reminds me of, I'll never forget.
Every country has its own special food.
Yes, like in Italy, pasta and pizza. In Japan, sushi and ramen. In Mexico, tacos and burritos.
And in Cambodia, a mak, delicious curry fish wrapped in banana leaves.
Exactly. Food is part of culture. When you learn about food, you learn about people. All right, Jake, let's have a little quiz for our listeners.
Yes, everyone, try to answer out loud.
What do we call the meal in the morning?
Breakfast.
What's the opposite of sweet?
Salty or sour?
If something is cooked in oil, what do we call it?
Fried.
What word means very delicious?
Yummy or tasty.
Excellent! And remember, it's okay to repeat these words often. It helps your brain remember faster.
Let's talk health for a bit. What's healthy food, Sue?
Healthy food gives your body energy and vitamins, like fruits, vegetables, and fish.
And unhealthy food is something you should eat less, like fast food, too much sugar, or deep-fried snacks.
But it's okay to enjoy them sometimes. You can say, I try to eat healthy. I don't eat too much junk food. I love sweets, but I eat them in moderation. In moderation means not too much.
Here's something important. People talk about food all the time in English. Let's practice.
Sure, let's do a mini dialogue.
What kind of food do you like?
I really like Asian food, especially noodles.
Do you cook at home?
Yes, sometimes. I like to try new recipes.
Perfect example. Learners, you can practice this kind of small talk anywhere, in class, online, or with friends.
Jake, what about drinks? What's your favorite?
I'd say iced coffee. It wakes me up and makes my morning perfect.
Nice! Mine is green tea. It's calming and fresh.
Let's teach our listeners some dessert words. Cake, ice cream, pudding, cookies, fruit salad.
And useful phrases. I have a sweet tooth. I love sweet food. I'm craving ice cream. I really want ice cream right now.
Wow, Sue! We've been talking about food for a long time, and now I'm hungry.
Me too. Let's quickly review what we learned. Taste and texture words, cooking verbs, expressions for likes and dislikes, food memories and culture, small talk about food.
Great summary! And everyone, remember, food is a fun way to practice English. Describe what you eat, talk about your favorite dishes, and use new words every day.
All right, friends. If you enjoyed today's episode about my favorite food in English, please make sure to subscribe to Up English 101 for more fun, friendly English lessons every week.
Yes!
Don't forget to like, share, and comment your favorite food below. We'd love to hear what makes you hungry and happy.
And remember, English learning is like cooking. It takes time, patience, and love. So keep practicing, keep smiling, and keep learning.
This is Jake, signing off with a full stomach.
And I'm Sue, reminding you that every meal can be a lesson in English.
See you next time on Up English 101.
Bye-bye.